super kawaii with bright eyes that attract. Beautiful hair, a shining smile, every detail that makes us love. Draw your kawaii, kawaii, a kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls join together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. Let's make rosy and cute cheeks with a beautiful face and highlights in her hair. Colorful clothes, super cute. Our little doll will be charming. Curly hair straight or to the side, blonde, red, black, brown, pink, or color. Repeat blonde, red, brunette, blonde. Choose kawaii, kawaii. How cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. Its finest color makes the heart beat. Drawing is magical. Let's go together in this cuteness. Kawaii, kawaii, so sweet and enchanted. Our little doll is pure charm and joy. Kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls drawing together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. Kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls drawing together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. There are many cute dolls here. Grab your pencil and paper, let's draw a cute doll just the way we like it. Super kawaii with bright eyes that attract. Beautiful hair, a shining smile, every detail that makes us love. Draw your kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls drawing together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. Let's make rosy and cute cheeks with a beautiful face and highlights in her hair. Colorful clothes, super cute. Our little doll will be charming. Curly hair straight or to the side, blonde, red, black, brown, pink, or color. Repeat blonde, red, brunette, blonde. Choose kawaii, kawaii. How cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. Its finest color makes the heart beat. Drawing is magical. Let's go together in this cuteness. Kawaii, kawaii, so sweet and enchanted. Our little doll is pure charm and joy. Kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls drawing together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. Kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls drawing together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. There are many cute dolls here. Grab your pencil and paper, let's draw a cute doll just the way we like it. Super kawaii with bright eyes that attract. Beautiful hair, a shining smile, every detail that makes us love. Draw your kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls drawing together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. Let's make rosy and cute cheeks with a beautiful face and highlights in her hair. Colorful clothes, super cute. Our little doll will be charming. Curly hair straight or to the side, blonde, red, black, brown, pink, or color. Repeat blonde, red, brunette, blonde. Choose kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. Its finest color makes the heart beat. Drawing is magical. Let's go together in this cuteness. Kawaii, kawaii, so sweet and enchanted. Our little doll is pure charm and joy. Kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls drawing together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. Kawaii, kawaii, how cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish, girls drawing together on the channel. This is sensational. Meet your common friend. There are many cute dolls here. Grab your pencil and paper, let's draw a cute doll just the way we like it. Super kawaii with bright eyes that attract. Beautiful hair, a shining smile, every detail that makes us Grab your pencil and paper, let's draw a cute doll just the way we like it. Super kawaii with bright eyes that attract. Beautiful hair, a shining smile, every detail that makes us love. Draw kawaii, kawaii. How cool it will be, a kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish. Girls drawing together on the channel, this is sensational. Meet your common friend. Let's make rosy and cute cheeks with a beautiful face and highlights in her hair. Colorful clothes, super cute, our little doll will be charming. Curly hair straight or to the side, blonde with red, black, brown, pink, or color her repeat blonde, red, brunette, blonde. You choose kawaii, kawaii. How cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. Find each color makes the heart beat, drawing is magical. Let's go together in this cuteness. Kawaii, kawaii, so sweet and enchanted. Our little doll is pure charm and joy. Kawaii, kawaii. How cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish. Girls drawing together on the channel, this is sensational. Meet your common friend. Kawaii, kawaii. How cool it will be, a little kawaii doll for us to love. With special details, charming and stylish. Girls drawing together on the channel, this is sensational. Meet your common friend. There are many cute dolls here. Grab your pencil and paper, let's draw a cute doll just the way we like it. Super kawaii with bright eyes that attract. Beautiful hair, a shining smile,